everybody, and welcome to week 9, day 3. So, I just looked through this packet, and there is a lot of math in it. And so, I'm actually going to be saving one of the pages, and I will tell you about that later. But right now, we have some cutting and gluing to do. The task here, or the job, is to read the words in the little box that has the dash lines around it and then decide which picture best matches that little the words in that box. And so what I'm going to do first is I'm going to actually cut them out, because looking at them all at the same time is a little bit too much. So I'm going to cut all the way across. That's our teacher trick, when we cut all the way across to cut that off. And so now all I have is my pictures, and I have a blank space below where I'm going to glue my words. Now I do need to cut these carefully. I'm going to cut right on this dash line all the way across again. All right, so I have that. And now I'm going to cut off the ends. And I'm noticing that when I cut off the bottom, I cut on that first dash line. There's actually another one a little bit below, and I'm going to trim that off. So you see, I just trimmed off that little bit. And then I'm going to cut off the other end. All right, now here comes a real trick for getting a straight line to fit. Starting on this one, cut all the way across the middle, hot dog way. So that's the long way. Cut all the way across, okay? And now I have 2 strips. I'm going to cut on the lines in between each of the sentence groups, and I'm going to make a nice little stack by cutting and just stacking those up. All right, I'm going to do the same. I'm going to just stack these up, because we don't have to find the words in order. I think it's easier if we read the words and then try to find a picture that goes with it. So my cutting is all done. I can put that away. And I am going to be gluing. And if you do not have a glue stick, or if your glue stick ran out, then wait until Friday, because I sent home 2 new glue sticks for you. And that might be easier for you to do. All right, so let's read the first group of words. I'm going to put my stack over here to the side. There's that word side again. We must use that a lot. I'm going to put my pictures right here in the middle. Okay. And I'm going to read what these say. Let's put them really close to the camera. Look at my dog. My dog can wag. So if we are reading those words, look at my dog, we need to find a picture of a dog. So we check out all of the pictures. I don't see a dog yet. This is a ram, and that is a male goat or sheep, but this is probably a wild sheep or a mountain sheep or goat. Here is a dog, but I see the back of it. My dog can wag. Of course they're showing the back because you wag your tail. And this is a ham, so that one's not going to match. So my best place for putting these sentences, look at my dog can wag, is to put it right here. I always put glue on the thing I'm gluing, not on this bottom part, even though I did get a little bit on it. All right. And those words match the picture. Look at my dog can wag. And that's what we want to do for each of the other groups of words. Now, I'm going to bring them up close to the camera for you, but I won't be able to point to the words then. And so, let's see here. Let's just stack those up again. All right. So here we go. I'm going to bring it close to the camera again. And it says, can you see the tag on the bag? So we are looking for a tag on a bag. Let's look at our pictures. No? This is a rag that they're washing with. Sound like they all have ah sound. So this is that short vowel, short ah sound. Here's a bag, and here is a tag. I am thinking that this is a good match. Now, last time I got a little bit of glue over on the side, so I'm going to put a little, I'm just going to take a sticky note. I'm going to make a little gluing area where I don't get it on the table and I don't get it all over my paper. Okay, that's enough. It's just a tiny piece of paper. And make sure that I'm gluing that. And there we go. Can you see the tag on the bag? Yes, I put it in the right place. And we're going to continue to do this for each of these groups of words. And you read. The ram can run and jump. The ram can run and jump. So let's see which picture is going to match. And we already talked about this animal being a ram, okay, which is like a daddy sheep or a daddy goat. And so since this sentence is about the ram, it must be the sentence that goes with the picture. Now, I think you can probably do the rest of these on your own. I'm going to go ahead and continue to glue, but I want you to read the sentences and finish your gluing. And then at the end, I would like you to read these sentences to yourself, by yourself. The picture will give you a clue, and then you can read the sentences. Okay, so read the sentences, put them where they belong, and then read again. This is reading practice for us today. Okay, and if you need to see the final, where they go, you can stop the video right now and just look at it. Okay, but I'm going to move on to math because we had this lot of pages in here for cutting and gluing today. And this page is a lot of subtraction equations. And when I made this packet, I thought it would fit here. But now that I'm looking, I think we need to do more practice. So I'm going to save this page with the fish that we cut and glue and use for our equations. I'm saving this for our week 9 extras. So I'm putting that aside, and if you've already done it, great, but if you need help doing it, wait until the video for week 9 extra.